the thing that surprises me most is that that what a leader is somehow not something that everyone understands. Like if there's a toxic boss, like who's tolerating the toxic
Yeah.
boss, from above and below, someone's
Hmm.
allowing this to go on. So,
Hmm.
we can influence our leaders as well, because
Well,
I
you
think
brought
that,
something interesting. Is it charisma? Charisma is an energy. Everything is an energy. So our great leaders, um, they have great energy and they can convey uh, optimism and make you feel a certain way.
yeah,
But
I don't think you have to be extroverted particularly. I think you
mhm,
can be introverted, like particularly if you're managing, technology assets, for instance.
mhm,
If you're crunching numbers, maybe you need less of that. But I think that they make you feel important. They
mhm,
make you feel heard. Um, they make you feel supported, and yeah, I think empathetic listening skills. I think great leaders talk less than they listen,
mhm, mhm,
and I think they model behavior. I think that they, particularly around things like that are kind of esoteric, like culture and mission and vision. Great leaders, they are fans of all of those things. And the other thing that strikes me is they're clear, right?
mhm,
When they tell
mhm.
you about something or when they set an
Yeah, the messaging is
expectation,
clear.
I
Yeah.
know exactly what you want me to do. I know
Yeah.
exactly what's expected of me.
Mhm,
And in the absence of that, entities will crumble, right? Because
mhm.
you got people moving in different directions or unclear. When someone is this is a big part of what I'm doing now too, Jim. When someone is unclear, like I don't know what to do next,
Mhm.
or I don't know why this is happening, that creates tremendous anxiety. And so
Mhm.
when you can bring clarity to someone who is unclear, now you've started the process of building confidence. And,
Mhm.
and in my estimation, when you start building confidence or rebuilding confidence in my circumstance,
Mhm.
then you start to become perhaps more courageous. And what does that translate into? Well, you're going to take more risks, which is
Mhm.
where all the fun stuff happens. All the good stuff
Yeah.
happens where risk is being taken. That's my impression.
Yeah.